Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the PC Square laptop stand. On the front of the box, we have an image of the laptop stand itself, and we have a bit of description saying creative folding storage bracket. On the top of the box, we have a few of the salient features, which include multi-size use, 6 stops of lift adjustment, a comfortable angle, and folding storage. On the bottom, it's pretty much the same as the front, and the back has a couple more images of the product in a different color scheme. The one on the left has a pink color scheme, and the one on the right has a silver color scheme. There's nothing on either side, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the box. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get a thank you note from the brand, and it also mentions that you can leave feedback on the back. We also get a drawstring pouch for portability and easy carrying. Finally, we have the product itself, which is the laptop stand. Uh, First impressions are that it is really well designed and it has a good build quality to it. The designing is also quite clever and it can be extended horizontally. In its most extended state, it's approximately 18 centimeters wide, and when folded down to it is approximately 4.5 centimeters wide. On the top, we have four anti-skid pads, and we have two more on this lip right here on the bottom. This is to prevent the laptop that will be placed on it from sliding down too easily. There are also four anti-skid pads on the bottom side to prevent the laptop stand from moving around on a smooth surface. You can also adjust the angle in multiple ways by extending this out and locking these small metal pieces into the grooves. Uh, the grooves are marked off at six different points for different angles. So let's set it up and put a laptop on it. So as we can see, it is quite stable, and we will also show you what it looks like with a laptop on it. As you can see here, it can accommodate a compact laptop quite well, and it is also extremely stable and it does not move around at all. You can adjust the height if you want the angle to be a little less aggressive. You can set it at its lowest point, which is right here. I will turn it around to show you the angle, and that's about it. So, this was the unboxing of the PC Square laptop stand. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.